Hi! Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this bag. To make the everyday phone bag, you need to prepare these materials. Now I will show you how to start with the chain. Hold your yarn like this and hold your crochet hook. Put it upon the yarn and grab it towards yourself. Stop the loop on your hook, yarn over, hold this point to keep a little space, and pull through. And now you can tighten the slip knot. Okay, now we start to make chain stitches. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, then around your index finger. Hold the tail, and you're ready to chain. Yarn over, and pull through the loop. And you just made the first chain stitch. And you can see there is a V shape, which is the form of a stitch. Again, yarn over and pull through. Okay, 1, 2. Always keep the tension of the yarn, but don't tie it too much. Make sure that your hook is pointing down and can move smoothly. Okay, and just keep making chains until you get the right number of stitch. Alright, now we start to make a single crochet round along this chain. First of all, you will make a chain stitch, which is not counted as a normal stitch here. It works for building up a height of this round. So now for the first stitch of the round, you will make it into the second stitch from your hook. Insert your hook into the second stitch and pick up only the top loop, also known as the back loop. Okay, look it again. 1, 2, insert from the middle, pick up the top loop, yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you just finished 1 stitch. Mark your first stitch of the round. Use the stitch marker, mark the V shape. And you just made the first stitch. Here you just made a stitch, so now go to the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again. And you just go like this until last stitch. And mark also the last one just to make it easier to track the stitch number. Now continue to the underside and single crochet into the remaining loops. Make sure you insert your hook into the same hole so that you are picking up 2 loops on your hook. It makes the bag's bottom steadier. If you pick up only 1 loop, you will see there is a bar near it and the hole will be dragged bigger. So insert on the 2 bars, exactly where the top stitch was made. You may notice the form of the single crochet stitch now. On top, there were V loops. Every V shape represents a stitch. And on the side, there is a pair of little V legs. So this is a single crochet stitch. Now I will show you how to do single crochet back loops only. Firstly, join around into the first stitch. So take off the marker, insert your hook into 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 3 loops together. This is a slip stitch. To make a single crochet back loops only, you do the same turning chain as before, which builds up the height of the round. And the first stitch is here. You're going to insert your hook in the middle of the V shape. Pick up only the back loop. Instead of 2 loops, only the back loop. Yarn over and pull through. And yarn over, pull through. Mark the first stitch. Find the next V, insert into the back loop, and finish it. So this is the single crochet back loops only. When you arrive at the end, see here is the first stitch, the turning stitch, and next to it is a slip join, which you are not going to crochet into. Now join around again. Insert and slip. Tighten the slip knot. Following the pattern, make a round of single crochet. So make a turning chain. Here, make the first stitch into both loops. Continue making the second one into both loops. So this is how to single crochet. Let me make some more. Actually, you can see single crochet back loops only leaves a line of front loops, while normal single crochet appears only V legs here. So based on that, you can understand if you did it right. Okay, now I finished the last stitch. Here's the first stitch, chain and slip join. Now join into the first stitch. Now I will show you how to do double crochet. Normally, there is a way to start a double crochet round. I will show you that first, which is chain 2 as turning chains. So the round is about this high. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through to have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through only 2. And yarn over, pull through the other 2. Okay, this is a normal way to do it, but you can see here are 2 columns into 1 stitch. This is the method when people don't count the turning chains as a stitch. So today I will teach you an invisible way to start a round. Let's go back before joining the round. So join the round with a slip stitch. Now, instead of making turning chains, make a single crochet into the first stitch. Then chain 1. This is the first double crochet stitch. Mark the chain stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook into the second stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the other 2 loops. So it's the second DC stitch again. So here are 3 DC stitches in this round, and you just follow the pattern. When you finish the round, always join into the marked stitch. And just follow the pattern. Now I will show you how to do treble crochet. The treble crochet is very similar to the double crochet. First of all, join around with a slip stitch just like before. Normally you can chain 3 as turning chains and go on, but I'm going to make the first treble crochet stitch directly into the first stitch. So without turning chains, single crochet into the first stitch where you just slipped. Then chain 2. Now yarn over twice, stop them with your finger, and insert into the second stitch. Yarn over, pull through. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2. Yarn over and pull through only 2. Yarn over, pull through the other 2. So follow the pattern until you go through all the stitches. At the end, like always, join the round into the first stitch, which is the top chain. So in the last chapter, I will teach you how to make a strap as a fishtail braid. First of all, make a slip knot. Yarn over and hold this point and pull through. But don't close the knot now. Chain 1 and insert your hook in the middle of the slip knot, picking up only back loop, and make a slip stitch. So pull through 2 loops. Now you close the back knot. Then go inside the first stitch next to your hook, which is the chain 1 you made. Insert into back loop only. Keep the tension of both loops evenly on the hook, not too tight, and make a slip stitch. Then continue this step. It may turn out like a letter shape if you're working with a plastic thread. This is how it looks on the back side. Thank you for watching.